Hello. You'll have to go and have a look in a minute.
Look.
What you got?
I want to see my stocking.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, exciting. Do you want to put that light on? Oh. You must have been a good boy then now.
Shush,
shush, shush.
No. Daddy.
Shush.
There's different ones in here.
Yeah.
What are you going to open first?
Oh! Look at this one. What is it?
I don't know. Why don't you open it for me?
Whoa!
Must have been a good boy. Look at your crazy hair. I don't want me on there, Christ.
Wow.
What's that?
Do you know, Daddy?
Have a look.
I
Wow.
also wanted one
That's
of
a
those.
beetle.
Did you?
4x4 beetle.
You going to find something else?
Yeah.
Look.
Can you open this one for Mummy before the camera runs out? What's that feel like? Is it a football, do you reckon?
No.
Did you want a football?
Find
Is
out.
that what I think it is? What is it?
Angry Birds.
Yeah! How did Father Christmas know you like Angry Birds?
Yeah. Like on your face.
Yeah!
Squeeze.
Just here now, ready? Ready?